I want you to see just how difficult this is now. This is my laptop. Let's see. Pick a movie. Laptop's plugged into the TV. Full screen. Now, let me zoom in on it. Look just how difficult that was. I think even you may be able to pull this off. Oh, and this is filmed in Denmark, where you're going. This looks a little on the nasty side.